What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here, and today we're about to find out how well my Kirby still runs. My G5 has not been ran in a while. This machine is from November of 1998. Absolutely fantastic. Nice. Drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for more videos. I'm your host, Captain Namco, saying thanks for watching. I'll see you right back here next time. We'll make another video over Kirby. But until then, I always want to let you guys know that Jesus loves you. Have a great day.